which of the following is related to GIS? The first option is Euclidean space. Then we have Ramanujan space, followed by Pythagorean space, and finally none of the above. Now in GIS, in mathematics, in physics, there are certain space being defined where you can locate and identify an object or a place. So this is the Euclidean space. The correct answer is this one. So what is a Euclidean space actually? When we are talking about a space, that is the area or the framework used to point out an object or locate an object or the objects with respect to other object, the size, say, shape, orientation, all that can be defined. So if you have a screen, it will be two-dimensional, x and y. But in actual world, if you want to locate certain object or a thing, then you need the y-axis also, x-axis also, along with the z-axis also. So in order to locate a point in the 3D world, you need the latitude, longitude and elevation. Length, breadth and height is also a kind of dimension that can be used. But in order to actually point out an object in a space, you'll go a distance x, a distance y, a distance z. In order to locate an object, there are the unit vectors also. You multiply that unit vector with the actual length, and that's how you locate an object. You locate a thing. So these are the different octants you see, which are followed in Euclidean space. But let me tell you, it can be n spaces, not only one dimension, two dimension, but this two and three dimension is very important to Euclidean space. So in order to find out a location, this Euclidean space is defined. It's a fundamental space of geometry. It represents the physical space, and it was originally three-dimensional space, this Euclidean geometry. But modern mathematics uses the Euclidean n spaces also. For n, if it is equal to 1, it's Euclidean lines. So n equal to 1 means Euclidean lines we are talking about. And when n is equal to 2, we are talking about the Euclidean planes. So we have Euclidean lines also, Euclidean planes also, which you are able to see in the picture also. So Euclidean is a term used to distinguish the Euclidean spaces from other spaces. Ramanujan space, Pythagorean space. There are different spaces to define a location of the object or the position of the object. So a GIS assumes the spatial phenomena occur in 2, that is the screen type, or 3D, the actual world, Euclidean space.